students? Hope you all are safe and secure at your places. Well, in today's session, we are heading towards chapter 3, The Luncheon. And it is a short story written by a very prominent English novelist, short story writer named as William Somerset Maugham. William Somerset Maugham. He was a British short story writer, novelist, and he was born in France, studied in UK and Germany, and graduated as a physician in the St. Thomas Hospital. But when he got his first novel, Lisa of Lambeth, after that he gave up his medical career and became a full-time writer. So that means he graduated as a physician, but later on he just move on to the writer part. So The Luncheon, it is a short story, and actually first of all I would like to discuss about the title. The Luncheon title. The title of the text is ironical. Now what does the ironical means? Ironical, I can say that if we will find out in the dictionary that what is the meaning of the word luncheon, we will get to know that the luncheon means light snack, light midday meal. But in this story, actually the luncheon means an abundant and expensive meal. In this story, the actual meaning is abundant and expensive meal. That you will come to know how. So in this story, this short story relates about a lady who is an admirer of his stories. There was one lady who is really admiring the stories of the writer. The writer is William Somerset Maugham. She used to admire his every story, every book. She wins the author's favor and expresses her wish to meet him at a high-class restaurant. And of course, William could not say no to him and could not say no to that girl, that lady. And William exposes the false motives of modest eating habits of all the middle classes with a touch of humor. Okay, in this story we will study about this thing, and about the author you could study yourself in the beginning of the chapter. And now I am starting with the chapter part only, and I am not going to give you detailed line to line summary, but I'll just give you detailed explanation, detailed summary of this chapter. Okay, whatever the difficult words will come in between, I'll just tell you. See, in the first paragraph now, I caught sight of her at the play, and in answer to her beckoning, I went over during the interval and sat down beside her. It was long since I had last seen her, and if someone had not mentioned her name, I hardly think I would have recognized her. Here, the writer of The Luncheon, William Somerset Maugham, in this relates about a lady who is an admirer of his stories. So he caught her sight, he caught a sight of her at the play. मतलब उसने उसे कहाँ पे देखा? थिएटर में. यहाँ पे play का मतलब है थिएटर में देखा. And that lady was signaling him, beckoning. The word beckoning here means, the word meaning is given over here, signaling someone to come nearer. वो उसको अपनी तरफ इशारे के साथ बुला रही थी. And the author also went there and sat beside her, but he was saying that I am not remembering her, that if someone will not mention her name, I hardly think I would have recognized her. कि अगर जब तक मुझे उसका नाम नहीं पता चलेगा कि I am not going to recognize her, that it would not be possible for me to recognize her. Now, but that lady was addressing him very brightly. मतलब that lady was very happy to see him, and she was inviting him, she was greeting him with very happy face, with smiling face. Now what she was next saying that many years ago we met, do you remember that many years ago we first met? How time does fly. Do you remember the first time I saw you? You asked me to luncheon. So she is saying that, do you even remember that when do you the first time I saw you and you asked me to the luncheon? And the author was started thinking, do I really remember? Did I remember that? And actually when he got remembered, what he got to know that that it was 20 years ago and I was living in Paris. 20 years ago, the author was living in Paris when he had met a lady जो कि उसकी स्टोरी की एडमायर कर रही है, जो कि उसकी स्टोरीज को एडमायर कर रही है. इन अ लिटिल अपार्टमेंट, a tiny apartment he used to live. She had met him at a play and relates him to the incident. And what he was saying that he barely earn enough money. He don't earn so much money. He just enough earn money that was just to keep his body and soul together. वो सिर्फ अपने गुजारे के लिए ही वो पैसे कमाता था. He was not financially stable at that time. So she had read a book of author, and related to that book only, she had written a letter to the author. She had written a letter to the author about her views, about her reviews of the book. वो अपने views, अपने book के बारे में views देने चाहती थी. उसको उसने letter लिखी, lady ने author को. And of course author got very much excited, very happy, and he answered also. He thanked her, and then again another letter was posted. And in that letter, what she was saying, she is saying that she was passing through Paris and would like to have a chat with me, that he wanted to meet him. वो उस author को मिलना चाहती थी because she was visiting Paris, but she was saying that she had a limited time, so she can just meet on Thursday. Okay, fine. So again the author got excited and he got flattered. He started thinking that, oh my god, that I'm going to meet a lady, I'm going to meet a girl. So the author started thinking of that, where should I get her. So author thought of that I will take her to a restaurant which is Foyt's restaurant. Now here the word Foyt's, the words Foyt, the author decided to take her to Foyt's restaurant. Now it is a restaurant at which the French senators eat. Now what is French senators here? French senators is French congressmen, rich people of France, rich French people. They used to come there and have food. But what he was saying that I had never even thought of going there, कि मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था I am going to visit that restaurant because I don't have enough money. But somehow he got flattered by that lady, so he was ready to take that lady to that restaurant. Williams, so next is now, so till here he decided that he will go to that restaurant. Now the matter comes that how will he manage the money, पैसे कैसे वो मैनेज करेगा. सो ही हैड 80 francs एट दैट टाइम. उसके पास 80 francs थे, एंड विच ही हैड टू टेक इट, स्पेंड वेरी केयरफुली बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड इन द रेस्ट ऑफ द मंथ. वो उसे पूरा महीना निकालना था, पूरा मंथ निकालना था. दैट्स वाई he was saying that I only have 80 francs. So he decided that I'll spend only 15 francs on that lunch with that lady, कि मैं सिर्फ 15 francs spend करूँगा and बाकी मेरे save रहेंगे, and that will be okay. And उन 15 francs को पूरा करने के लिए what he thought that I'll skip one meal. And of what meal? Coffee meal. That I'll skip one meal of coffee so that I could manage for the next 2 weeks. So in this way he could manage the money. He managed out the money part. The next thing which comes out is chalo ji. Now they went to the restaurant on Thursday at 12:30. That around 12 o'clock they went to the Foyt's restaurant. But when he saw her, he found that the lady was not at all attractive, not at all attractive in appearance, and she was in fact a woman of 40, but not one that excites a sudden devastating passion at first. Of course he was expecting that the lady would be a young and of her age, of small age, not small age, but between the 20 to 30 you could say. But what he found that the ladies was around the age of 40, and he was not at all, he got disappointed. वो थोड़ा निराश हो गया उसको देख के. उसे लगा कि कोई young लड़की होगी, but what he didn't get that. She was very talkative, She seemed inclined to talk about me. That means that she was talking very talkative and was talking only of that author. She was continuously talking about the author, and the author was preparing himself to be an attentive learner, attentive listener. वो कोशिश कर रहा था कि मैं एक attentive listener बन के उसकी बातें सुनता रहूं. I was startled when the bill of fare was brought, for the prices were of great deal higher than I had anticipated, but she reassured me.